Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best organic walnuts available in the market, the Happy Belly California walnuts. These aren't just any walnuts, they're renowned for their premium quality and rich flavor. Harvested from California's Central Valley, known for its ideal growing conditions, these walnuts are of the Chandler variety. They're large, smooth, and oval-shaped, ensuring you get a satisfying bite every time. What sets these walnuts apart is their simplicity. They're unroasted and unsalted, letting their natural, sweet flavor shine through. Plus, they come in a convenient resealable bag, keeping them fresh from the first handful to the last. Now, let's talk benefits. These walnuts are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential vitamins and minerals. Whether you're looking to support heart health, boost brain function, or simply enjoy a delicious snack, these walnuts have you covered. Each serving is packed with goodness, making it a perfect addition to your diet. Plus, they're versatile, add them to salads, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them on their own as a satisfying snack. Produced by Amazon's Happy Belly brand, these walnuts adhere to strict quality standards. They're backed by thousands of satisfied customers, and it's no surprise they rank among the top in the grocery and gourmet food category on Amazon. Sustainability is key here too. Happy Belly ensures that their products are sourced responsibly, contributing to environmental conservation efforts. So, you can enjoy these walnuts knowing you're supporting a brand committed to both quality and sustainability. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best organic walnuts that combine quality, taste, and nutritional value, look no further than the Happy Belly California walnuts. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products in the market. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique.